Alright, so I have this with some content inside, some text inside. That's what I mean by content. Now let's assume about the task, how to pin up to the taskbar setting, creating folders in Windows 10 PC are my main are the things I want to have in my table of contents. You understand? For me to achieve that, the first step I have to take is to make this text heading. And the way to make the text heading is to highlight them, click on the home tab, then under styles you have some commands there which include heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 and the rest. So I will choose any of those headings so that I will tell the document, please, this is my heading, it's not like any other text contained in the program. Okay, so let me start making them heading. Highlight, make it heading 1. Okay, let me just put heading 2, which is what I've done now. Highlight, make this heading 2. Highlight, make this heading 2. Highlight, make this heading 2. So it's my choice. So you can make your own heading 3 or heading 1 is usually for chapter titles, you know. So now you click on the spot where you want the table of contents to be added, and in this station I want my table of contents to be added on this spot where my cursor is blinking. So after that, click on the references tab. The references tab shows me a lot of commands I can work with, but our interest is on table of contents. Okay, so click on the table of contents so that it will show you some styles of table of contents you can work with. Okay, so I have automatic table 1, automatic table 2 and the rest. So if you want to use any of these, just click on it and the table of contents will be inserted. You see now all those text I made my headings and now appear at the table of contents. What if I want to remove this table of content and then use the customized it on my own? It's still possible. Just to click into the table of contents section, then click on that same references tab which we are already there, then click on table of contents, then I select the option to remove table of contents. Okay, now I want to customize my table of contents. Then go to references tab, click on the table of contents, scroll down to custom table of contents. Okay, now here we are given some options whether I want to use this one made available by default or choose any other option. So you can decide, okay, let me change other general the formats. I can decide to change to distinctive format or fancy format. Okay, let's work with distinctive here. All right, then in tab leader I can decide to tab leader to just change it to something else or go with none. Then the last step is just to click on OK. You see our table of contents has now appeared differently with the customized option. So these are just the few steps you have to take to add table of contents to your Word document. Alright, please do want to subscribe to my channel.